Yeah, I'm Praveen Kare. I work at Craneware as Vice President of Product Development, specifically within medication and supplies portfolio. With all these variables, that are out in the market, there's tremendous amount of data that is generated, complex data that is generated. Gen AI can sift through all that complex and volume of data to be able to, make sense of it and be able to identify patterns again and identify the issues that might arise in the future, right, for the patients. So it becomes a bridge between healthcare providers and patient in a sense that it provides a unique perspective for providers to understand where the patient stands and what sort of you know sort of treatment plan that they need to be on. When we initially had this engagement with Crane, where there were a lot of growing problems, right, teething problems, there were a lot of challenges, which is quite natural, when you have an engagement like this. But what was really good to see from CTS management was, you know, never at a point, I saw folks from CTS looking at the problem, sitting there and complaining about it. It was always about, looking at the problem as an opportunity to see, how we can solve that, how we can resolve that and move forward. So that was a very, a positive mindset that I saw from CTS, which I was very happy about. The second thing that I could think of was, the pace at which the decisions are made and executed. That was very refreshing to see, because again, as I mentioned, right, there were challenges in the beginning, but I didn't see long drawn approaches or red tapeism in the process. There were fast decisions, and you execute those decisions, see where it goes. If it doesn't work out, try an alternative approach. But it was all about trying alternatives and seeing what works, and that is usually how I operate in my day-to-day profession. So it was quite refreshing to see that. And again, it started out as a small engagement in the beginning, handling straightforward enhancements, but the results that we have seen at Craneware coming out of those projects, the flexibility of CTS to be able to adapt to changing and demands of Craneware was very refreshing to see, and it sort of propelled the engagement forward, and slowly but surely more and more projects were being taken up by CTS. And now if you see CTS, they operate in medication and supply portfolio, they operate in revenue integrity platform. They're pretty much in every portfolio that Craneware has, and they're leading some of the complex enhancements that are going on at Craneware. So it was great to see how the engagement has evolved, how CTS has evolved, and I can only be excited for what is to come next. So essentially, when you're looking for an IT consulting firm, you're looking for a partner who understands that domain. And CitiusTech has a very unique advantage compared to other IT consulting firms, because it operates specifically within the healthcare domain. So in a sense, it has built this institutional knowledge within that domain for quite some time now. And CTS works with other US healthcare organizations as well. So in a way, it has a good understanding of the complexities and challenges of the domain, the best practices, what works, what doesn't work, and in turn it is able to use all that knowledge, right, in helping out Craneware with its engagement. So I think CitiusTech is the right partner in Craneware's journey. One thing I could say is, within the healthcare domain, if you're looking for not just an IT consulting firm, but if you're looking for a partner who can walk hand in hand, deal with the challenges, complex challenges that you have in healthcare, and sort of be the partner with you in executing that vision, then CTS would be it.